Hey guys, today we'll ask some riddles as brain exercise is also important. So the first one is, what starts with P and ends with X but has hundreds of letters? So guys, answer is post box. What starts with T and ends with T and has T in it? And answer is teapot. What is broken every time when someone speaks? And silence is the answer. What belongs to you but is used mostly by others? And answer is name. What gets shorter the longer it stands? And the answer is candle. What has thumb and four fingers but is not alive? Answer is gloves. What can you catch but not throw? And the answer is cold. What kind of coat can be put on only when wet? Answer is color coat. What has a mouth but cannot eat? It moves but has no legs and has banks but cannot put money in it. And the answer is river. I am one every night with light but make two during day. Who am I? Answer is shadow. What is full of holes but still holds water? Answer sponge. What is white when it's dirty? Answer is blackboard. What building has most stories? Answer is library. What can travel around the world while staying in a corner? Answer is stamp. What gets wetter and wetter the more it dries? Answer is tall.